Konnichiwa guys, video game Brawlers CPS here. Today I'm gonna boxing of two Bakugan New Vestroia Japanese. It's a Thunder Wilda normal and Wilda and Ingram from Bakugan New Vestroia Japanese version on eBay. I just bought at Australia on eBay in Australia in 2023, 3 years ago, and I got the this Hong Kong, bought at the on eBay in Hong Kong in Hong Kong in 3 years ago, 2023. All right, let's get open up, close a little fun. Okay, so here's two Bakugans here. That's so amazing. Okay, let's get started. First, it is a Subterra Thunder Wilda. That's from Mirror's one. The bronze line, a brown. That's a fantastic. And there's MG here. That's so cool. That was amazing. All right, Subterra Wilda, Thunder Wilda. Is ready to roll. Ready? Whoa! All right, so here's our two arms, two legs, head, two green eyes, yellow lines, red horns here, the thunder, and then there's a G power is 400 G power. That's fantastic. Cool. And then Wilda Ingram Japanese version. There's MG here. There's purple line, magenta, green lines, and then that's cool. That's Shun's one, and that's Mira's one. And that's Shun's one too. That's great. All right, Wilda Ingram Japanese version is ready to roll. Ready? Whoa! So here's two arms, two legs, tails, 6 wings. There's 6 wings here. And there's 2 red eyes, head, purple lines, 4 eyes. To change the head pecking here, and there's 400 G powers. It's fantastic. That's Shun's one's cool. That's all cool. That's amazing. So this is a Wilda and Ingram Japanese version from Bakugan New Vestroia on Destroyer. That's fantastic. Destroyer. That's fantastic. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Click it to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click it to the bell. Click it to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok here. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time, everybody. Bye, and Bakugan Shooter!